how to start to go for verification on the LinkedIn, and this is really about to help you through that. So first of all, that is about to be really satisfied for giving you some important information that should be really satisfied for on that on this situation on this progress. And what we can do actually is about to go for LinkedIn standard verification option, but ensure your profile is completed, to your contact information is accurate to be verified. And then what we can do is actually to go for the view profile, and then what we can see about that is about to go for contact. Okay, for that you go for verify your email address, you go for settings and privacy. So you go for setting situation and email addresses, you go for verifying that recent verified link, and this is really about to give you 5 digits or 6 digits. You add it, and then you will finally start to verify your email, and that is all about.